Are you gonna play? Super Bowl is over. There's too many balls. Oops! I missed that.
Dad, do not take any of the balls.
Defense versus offense.
No, give me it.
Oh, Isabel got it. She got it, ball. Here, on the floor.
Okay. Oh, she got mine.
She's like, they're attacking me. Up, up, up.
Meow. Meow.
Everybody wants to play. Oh, Isabel got it. Don't break it.
Dad,
There's more.
this thing's breaking.
All right.
You're like a robot boy.
I think she's distracted now. Where's the ball, Isabel?
Guys, look. Look.
She's distracted. She doesn't know what to do. The toy or the ball? Oh! She's like, I don't care as long as I can hunt something.
Also, you are not pulling off that peanut.
Be careful because she's too close to your hands. And her claws are very sharp. She's like, I don't care. She's just pretending. Be careful with your hands. We need to put that thing on the stick.